Now we move along to question number 7. Question number 7 states when 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. So when 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. So this is the third property that I introduced a few videos back, right? And it states here that when 0 is the dividend, it'll just equal 0, right? So properties of division here, right? And of course, you can never divide anything by 0 because it'll be classified as undefined. So this property states 0 divided by a will always equal 0. All right, so when our dividend is 0, it'll just equal 0. Simple division problems. All right, we're going to give you, as long as a doesn't equal 0, it will ultimately equal 0. And that's the third property that I introduced to you a few videos back. All right, let's give you an example here, right? Fairly easy example. 0 divided by 10. Well, that's going to equal 0. Our a equals 10 here. How about 0 divided by 5? Well, that's also going to equal 0. 0 divided by 55. What does that equal? Well, that's going to equal 0. How about 0 divided by 32? Well, that's also going to equal 0, as long as a does not equal 0. Because if a was to equal 0 at that point, well, then we're dividing by 0, and anything divided by 0, as we stated in our previous video, is classified undefined. A few more examples here. 0 divided by 12 is 0. 0 divided by 25 will equal 0. Notice here, right, that our quotient is 0. So when 0 is the dividend, the quotient will always equal 0. Alright, so 0 divided by a will always equal 0 as long as a does not equal 0. And that's the third property I introduced to you a few videos back of division.